Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our 5 large tomatoes, or 6 to 8 small ones if that's what you have. Chop them into small, even pieces about the size of a dice. I like to remove the seeds, but you can leave them if you prefer a juicier salsa. Place them in a large bowl, and you'll notice right away how fresh and aromatic they are. Next, take your green bell pepper and dice it into pieces similar in size to the tomatoes. Do the same with enough onion to make 1 cup when diced. The key here is consistency and size. This ensures every bite of salsa has a perfect balance of flavors. Add both to your bowl of tomatoes. Now for the aromatics. Take your fresh cilantro and mince it until you have a 1/4 cup, or measure out 2 tablespoons if using dried. Then mince your 2 garlic cloves. You'll know you've minced them finely enough when the pieces are about the size of grains of sand. Add these to your bowl, and you'll start to smell that classic salsa aroma coming together. Time for some heat. Carefully chop your jalapeno until you have 4 teaspoons worth. Here's a pro tip. Remove the seeds and membranes if you want milder salsa, or leave them in for extra kick. Remember to wash your hands thoroughly after handling the jalapeno. Trust me on this one. Now we're adding our liquid and seasonings. Pour in 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. Fresh really makes a difference here. Add 1/2 teaspoon each of ground cumin, kosher salt, and black pepper. These dried spices will help bring all the fresh flavors together. Let's combine everything. Mix all ingredients well with a large spoon, making sure to distribute all the ingredients evenly. You want every scoop to have a bit of everything. You'll see the colors starting to blend beautifully. If you prefer a smoother salsa, you can pulse it in a food processor. If you don't have one, you can chop everything a bit finer by hand. It'll just take a little more time and patience. A few quick pulses should do it. We're not making soup here. By the way, since many of you ask about this blender that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to taste and adjust. This is where you make it your own. Need more salt? Add a pinch. Want more heat? Throw in some more jalapeno. Looking for more zing? Add an extra squeeze of lime. Trust your taste buds, they know what you like. Finally, cover your bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. This resting time is crucial. It allows all the flavors to meld together. You'll know it's ready when you take a taste, and the flavors are more balanced and harmonious than when you first mixed it. The salsa will keep in the refrigerator for about 5 to 7 days, but I doubt it'll last that long. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one. Bye.